een woord vir omskrywings. Sometimes in your paper 1, you will be asked to give one word for a description of something, or a couple of words into one word. So let's go and see how we can do this. Algemene kort omskrywings, these are generally used ones. Elke dag is daagliks, daily. Elke aand is saans, and that is at night. Elke nag is snags, and that is also at night. Saans would then pretty much be in the evening, as opposed to at night. Elke middag smiddags, and that is in the afternoons. Elke week is every week, weekliks, weekly, right? Weekly. Elke maand is maandeliks, monthly. Elke jaar is jaarliks, and that is yearly. Reg. So these are more generally speaking. Then we get more specific ones that describe specific people. Iemand wat boeke ken, somebody that knows books, is called a bibliograaf, a bibliographer, somebody that knows books. Iemand wat die sterrestelsel bestudeer, somebody that studies the stars, is 'n astronoom, an astronomer. Iemand wat in 'n biblioteek werk, which is a library, noem ons 'n bibliotekaris, and that would be a librarian. 'n Jong persoon, byvoorbeeld 'n tiener, is 'n adolescent, an adolescent. Iemand wat die toekoms voorspel met behulp van die sterre. So this is different from just studying the stars. This person predicts the future using the stars, en dit is 'n astroloog, an astrologer. Iemand wat sorg vir hy of sy of haar gesin, die broodwinner, the breadwinner, the person that brings in the money in the house. Iemand wat sy of haar land verlaat en in 'n ander land gaan woon, is 'n emigrant, somebody that immigrates and leaves their country to go and live in another country. Iemand wat brood bak is 'n bakker, 'n baker. Iemand wat blomme verkoop, flowers, is 'n bloemis of 'n bloemiste, which would be the female. Iemand wat 'n nuwe besigheid begin, vol risiko, that starts a new business that is full of risk, noem ons 'n entrepreneur, and note the spelling, there's an extra R in the middle. Iemand wat insekte bestudeer, somebody that studies insects, is 'n entomoloog, entomologist. Iemand wat kaarte teken, is 'n kartograaf. Iemand wat veg vir vroueregte, somebody that fights for the right of women, is 'n feminist, 'n feminist. Iets wat sonder voorwaarde is, without any sonder voorwaarde, something that doesn't have any specific rules to it, onvoorwaardelik, en dan tydperke van 10 jaar is decades, so 10 years are decades. 100 jaar, tydperke van 100 jaar is eeue, en eeue is centuries. So these questions are mostly asked in the last part of your paper 1, which covers mostly vocabulary and almost general knowledge questions. So that's why it's important to always know these kinds of things so that you are not caught on the back foot. All the best to you.